Hi guys, so today I'm super excited to film this video. I'm gonna be filming what I eat in a day, and yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what I eat to stay healthy, and let's get started. So before I make my food, I'm going to fill up my water bottle. And I drink about 4 of these every day, or I try my hardest to drink as much as water as possible. So this is what I made for breakfast. It's rice cake with avocado and eggs, and then peanut butter and banana. So now I'm gonna eat this and pack my lunch. Yum. So for lunch, I made this last night, but it's a quinoa salad with some roasted vegetables and quinoa and corn, spinach, kale, all that good stuff. And with that, I'm going to pack Asian sesame and ginger seasoning. So I'm going to pack that into my lunchbox. And then I'm going to pack an RX bar. And that's my lunch. Also, I'm gonna make some coffee, but I'm gonna be reusing this cup from Starbucks because I had Starbucks yesterday. And it's just easier for me to carry around when I'm going to school. So I'm going to pop in this little capsule, and I'm going to do one shot of espresso and add almond milk. And that's my daily coffee routine. I know this is tiny, but I don't like drinking too much coffee. So I'm just gonna sip on this while I go to school. I'm going to top my bowl with some granola, some almonds, some coconut flakes, and some dark chocolate chips. So this is more like a dessert, but you know, I love some chocolate chips. Dinner. These are some Korean rice cakes, but I have like a few packs, but I'm just gonna eat 4. I'm gonna microwave these and eat it kind of as like my last meal of the day. Or dessert. I'm going to end my video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and see you guys in my next video. Bye!